Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you close your Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the Wise application, just simply unlock it by putting your biometrics or PIN code. And after unlocking the application, you will get a bunch of options. You just simply have to go over your profile picture into the top left side. After going into there, you will get a bunch of options. Just simply select settings into general. After going over settings, you will get this option of close account. Tap into that option, and after tapping into close account, you will get this warning of you won't be able to use your bank details, view activities and transfer history, or use your card. If you are okay with that, just simply tap to I'm okay with that. Now you just simply have to select a reason for closing or deleting the account and tap to close account. And after tapping to close account, your account will successfully be closed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.